Hi class 6, this is Sunita Sharma. Welcome in your language class and today's topic is active and passive. Chapter number 13, active and passive voice. Definition, the form of a verb that shows whether the subject of a sentence does an action or has an action done to it is called voice. Example, Mithilesh drink tea every morning, active voice. Tea is drank by Mithilesh every morning is passive voice. Active voice. A verb is in the active voice when its form shows that a person or a thing denoted by the subject does something or is the doer of the action. Cats catch mice. Children love animals. Passive voice. A verb is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to a person or a thing denoted by the subject. Mice are caught by cats. And the second one is animals are loved by children. Important rules for changing active voice into passive voice. Number one, the object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Number two, put the suitable auxiliary verb. Number three, change the verb into past participle of the verb. Number four, the preposition by is generally used before the doer of the action. Number 5, change the subject into object. Number 6, while changing the voice of a sentence, the tense remains the same. Number 7, there is no change in the articles. Number 8, the type of a sentence remains the same. The passive voice is formed with the suitable tense of the verb be followed by the past participle. Study this table. According to this table, if our sentence is in simple present tense, we will use ism are according to the subject and we will use third form of verb. If our sentence is in present continuous, we will use am being, is being, are being according to the subject and third form of verb. If our sentence in present perfect, we will use has been or have been and third form of verb. If our sentence is in past simple, we will use was were according to the subject and third form of verb. If our sentence is in past continuous, we will use was being or were being according to the subject and third form of verb. If our sentence is in past perfect, we will use had been and third form of verb. If our sentence is in future tense, we will use will be or shall be according to the subject and third form of verb. If our sentence is in future continuous, we will not change anything. If our sentence is in future perfect, we will use will have been or shall have been according to the subject and third form of verb. Now here are some examples. Sentence number 1, he reads the answer. And here in this sentence, the subject is he and the object is the answer. When we will change an active voice into passive voice, the subject will be object and object will be subject. So the passive voice is the answer is read by him. As we can see, this sentence is in simple present tense. So now we use is and third form of verb. Right? Now sentence number 2, they are making sweets. This sentence is in present continuous. Now how we will change? We will use are, being and third form of verb. Sweets is object. So now object will be a subject. Sweets. Sweets are being made by them. Now number 3, Neha has drawn the diagram. Neha has drawn the diagram. This sentence is in present perfect. Now how we will change it? The diagram has been drawn by Neha. Now sentence number 4, he planted a tree. Here in this, the subject is he and the object is a tree. And this sentence is in simple past. Now how we will change? We will use was were according to the subject a tree. A tree is a singular subject, so that's why we will use was. A tree was planted by him. Now sentence number 5. He was filling the bucket. This sentence is in past continuous. And now we will change here. The object is the bucket. Now when we will change the passive voice, this active voice into passive voice, the object will be subject. Now the sentence is the bucket was being filled by him. Now number 6. He had broken the glass. This sentence is in past perfect. Third form is already mentioned here, as we can see. Now what we have to use? The glass had been broken by him. Now number 7. I shall water the plants. Now the object is the plant. And for making passive voice, we have to make this object into subject. So now the plants will be watered by me. Now number 8, they will have done the work. The sentence is in future perfect tense. How we will change it? The work will have been done by them. Now dear students, your homework, you have to read this chapter properly and try to solve all the exercises. If you have any problem regarding this topic, active passive, you can call me anytime. Thank you.